In this 2025, if you know your skin is looking like this, or like this, you actually click the right video, because here I have a good product that you can use to get rid of this rough textured skin. Even with myself, I had problem with this in 2022 and I was able to clear it completely. So first, let's talk about what actually causes all these things on the skin. So sometimes it can be a clogged pores, sometimes it can be keratosis pilaris, which we all call chicken skin or strawberry skin. It's a medical condition. And sometimes it can be caused by dead skin build up. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how to get rid of all these things from the skin. You should put at the back of your mind that scrubbing your skin harder is not what will actually get these things off your skin. Like trying to vigorously scrub your skin to make them leave, that is not the case. The case is to make sure you actually scrub your skin gently, hydrate your skin, and also repair your skin barrier. When you're able to do these three things, then there is nothing like strawberry skin or keratosis pilaris on your skin anymore. So I'm going to be putting you guys through products you should use, how you should use them to actually get rid of this bumpy skin. But the thing is, this is 2025. A lot of things have changed and life have evolved. New products are on board, and for me right now, who had something like this in 2022, the products I use are quite different. So like now, I will really suggest something even way better than those products. So for me, what caused mine was shaving the skin. For the first time, I actually decided to start shaving my skin, and the next thing, I actually started having bumpy skin on my thighs. I actually did not want anybody to see my skin, because it was just looking so rough. So I can actually relate to how you are feeling if you have such things on your skin. So the first thing I would highly recommend is to gently exfoliate your skin. And when it comes to exfoliating your skin, you need to know the type of body scrub you should use, because we have physical exfoliants, we have chemical exfoliants. Physical exfoliants is when you use like body scrubs to scrub your skin, while the chemical ones is when you use any chemical product that contains some ingredient to exfoliate your skin. So for the physical scrub, the one I will recommend highly is the Alpha Arbutin body scrub. You see this body scrub, this is what I am using. I have been using it all through last year to this year. This body scrub is really good when it comes to getting rid of bumpiness, strawberry skin, because it contains 30% AHA and 2% BHA with other vitamins which you will need to actually get that smooth radiant skin. For me in 2022, the body scrub I used was Asantee body scrub, but right now I will not recommend that in 2025, because this Alpha Arbutin body scrub is way better and will get the work done completely compared to that Asantee body scrub. So this is the one I'm currently using that will tackle anything like strawberry skin on your skin. And I'm also not recommending 2 body scrub, because this one I am 100% sure of it. So this one will go well for strawberry skin. So that is for physical exfoliant. Now for the chemical exfoliant, the one I will highly recommend is the ordinary glycolic acid. This particular chemical exfoliant will actually clear your bumpy skin. But let me be honest with you guys, when it comes to strawberry skin, you have to be patient. These things will work, but you have to be patient and you have to really use it, not just to use it for one day and use it in the next 4 days. Honestly, when you're able to see results with it, it will actually ginger you up to use them. So because I know it will work, I also believe you will use them consistently. So all you just have to do is to be patient. Don't expect it to go in days. At least it will take weeks for you to start seeing remarkable change on your strawberry skin. But the ordinary glycolic acid is one good one when it comes to chemical exfoliant. But when you are doing this, just gently do it. I know when you are seeing those roughness, it feels as if you should just peel off your skin. But the thing is, gently doing it, exfoliating your skin is the best thing you can do to actually get rid of your roughness and bumpy skin. So the second thing I actually used back then, which I still highly recommend now in 2025, is the St. Ives body wash. The St. Ives body wash has a lot of variants in the market, but you see this one that contains rose water and aloe vera. This is the best when it comes to roughness on your skin. What this does is that it helps to soften and moisturize your skin. Remember at the beginning of this video, I said what you need to actually get rid of your rough, bumpy skin is to make sure you are exfoliating your skin gently, you are hydrating your skin, and you are also repairing your skin barrier. These 3 things are what will actually help with your strawberry skin. So this body wash right now is something that totally hydrates your skin and give your skin that moisture and softness making your skin easy for things to work. And this strawberry skin, with no time, you will just see it is gone and you will not even know when it happened. So the next thing I will highly recommend, which I used back then and also will recommend in 2025, is African net sponge. I know we all live in diverse places. You may not be able to get this particular sponge, but honestly, when you're able to lay your hand on this African net sponge, your skin, you can tell if you're someone that using maybe a washcloth or a very soft stuff to wash your skin, you are going to notice a big difference on how your skin gets smoother, softer. There will be no clogging of bacteria, especially for people who had their roughness of the skin as a result of dead skin cells build up. You will honestly enjoy this African net sponge. And with the little way this sponge washes the skin, you can notice that it will help to remove dead skin cells from your skin gradually. So I highly recommend this. So the next thing that I used to actually get rid of my rough bumpy skin as 2022 was Fair and White So White Skin Perfector lotion. So this lotion here is super amazing when it comes to helping with roughness on the skin and looking for something to hydrate the skin. Don't forget, now we already have a good exfoliant. Now we've talked about little moisturizers along the way, something to hydrate your skin like the body wash I mentioned. But you see this lotion, this was so good when it comes to hydrating and also making my skin very soft and very smooth. And this was the one I used. But just in case you can't find it or you don't know where to actually get this body lotion, go for the Amlactin Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This one is another good one. In 2025 here, you can actually use the Amlactin Daily Moisturizer, and in 2025 you can also use the Fair and White, but just in case, the Amlactin will go super well in helping to dissolve all those bumpiness on your skin to start making your skin super smooth. So the next thing I will recommend, which I did not do in 2022 but we highly recommend now in 2025, is body oil. Honestly, there are lots of body oil in the market. When you use some of them, you have a glowing skin, a radiant skin, but some of this body oil have the power to actually dissolve those bumpiness on your skin and make your skin super smooth. And the body oil I'll recommend is no other than Argan oil. So you just have to go to a supermarket and look for any body oil that contains argan oil, like it just concentrates on argan oil. It is not only just part of the ingredient, it is the main ingredient. So go for argan oil. It will help you a lot with rough, bumpy, textured skin. It's just going to make your skin smooth, make your skin flawless, and it's not going to clog your pores more, because using body oil at this point is very tacky. You don't want to use any body oil that makes your skin more clogged. So argan oil will work super well for your skin. But the bonus in all this is to make sure you're using sunscreen, because using products on your skin, especially for you who want to start introducing new products into your skin and you are not using sunscreen, that will just actually make every single thing you've done to turn zero. So make sure you introduce sunscreen. I don't care which sunscreen you are buying, just get anyone you can get at your own locations. Get a good sunscreen that has a high SPF, because that's what matters. The SPF, that's what will protect your skin. And with no time, you are going to see your strawberry textured, rough, bumpy skin cleared up and your skin looking so glowy and radiant. So that brings us to the end of the video. Please subscribe to see you in my next video.